In front of me is Vivo Y175 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Settings, scroll down to Hit Apps and tap on Default Apps. Now you need to click on Home app and tap on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to change anything, go into Launcher app, and to go back to your default launcher, simply access default apps again and tap on System's home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!